Ever dreamed of visiting Japan, but worried about the visa? Let me share how I turned a dream into a stamped reality. Here is my complete Japan visa application experience, timeline, doubt, delays, and the moment I finally got the green light. Applied on 16 May 2025. Status under process for the 7 working days. Message received ready for collection, but no clue if it is approved or rejected. I have collected my visa 26th of May 2025. And guess what is the result? Visa granted. The wait was real and the doubt was louder, but my faith, that is louder than anything else. And finally, the visa sticker is on my passport. I felt like a silent reward for my patience. Now, I'll give you top 3 tips for your Japan visa. Tip number 1, be 100% honest in your documents. Tip number 2, don't panic if it takes time. Delays are normal. Tip number 3, keep your travel purpose and itinerary simple and clear. To everyone waiting for their visa, believe your stamp will come at the right time, and when it does, say thank you and pack with grace.